Even the ducks know who feed them. They don't forget. I should have brought them something. I feel bad. I fed them last time. Now I don't have nothing to feed them. They come all the way up here to my. Sorry about that. Tomorrow, fellas. Tomorrow. Let me talk to y'all in duck language. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack.
Yeah, they crack me up. I know, I think they know, it's like they know people. They know who you are. Regulars, they know you.
Yeah. I got y'all tomorrow, man. I ain't gonna forget. Same time, okay? Quack, quack, quack.